From royal duties to lifestyle guru, Meghan Markle is back with a brand new Netflix show. Celebrating cooking, gardening, and the joy of friendship, we have all the exclusive details right here on CelebXplore Hub. Let's dive into what Meghan has in store for us. The Duchess of Sussex, Meghan Markle, has just wrapped up filming her latest project, a home and lifestyle show produced by Sony Pictures Television's The Intellectual Property Corporation. This exciting new series promises to celebrate the joys of cooking, gardening, entertaining, and friendship. Filming took place just 2 miles from Meghan's Montecito mansion, at a stunning $5 million property surrounded by avocado trees and lemon groves. This picturesque setting belongs to Tom and Sherry Cipolla, prominent figures in the Montecito community known for their philanthropy. Production for the show was an extensive affair, with filming permits revealing shoots at the Florabundance florist and the Cipollas' estate. Security was tight, ensuring the production went smoothly without any leaks. Meghan was also spotted in Los Angeles recently, sparking rumors about new material for the show. However, insiders confirmed that the filming for her new project was already completed. Meghan's new show is directed by Michael Steed, known for his work on Anthony Bourdain's Parts Unknown, and features Leah Harrington, the showrunner for Selena Gomez's Selena Plus Chef. In a delightful touch, Meghan sent out exclusive pots of homemade jam from her brand, American Riviera Orchard, as a sneak peek into her culinary talents. The brand is set to launch a variety of household products, including skincare, gardening equipment, and even dog food. This show is part of Meghan and Harry's ambitious $100 million Netflix deal. The couple aims to create content that inspires and connects people, highlighting courage, resilience, and the power of community. Are you excited to see Meghan's new show? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to CelebXplore Hub for all the latest updates on your favorite celebrities. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.